friends, today we are going to know about the natural aids for quitting smoking. Looking at the effects of smoking, it is essential that smokers make effort to quit as soon as possible. Initially, you can expect to feel withdrawal symptoms like frustration, anxiety, anger, lack of concentration, increased appetite, headaches, higher blood pressure, and constant craving to smoke. But if you are determined, then no matter whether you smoke a couple of cigarettes a day or 2 packs a day, quitting smoking is very possible. You can get help from professionals, from prescription medications to nicotine replacement products. You can also opt for some simple natural aids to help you quit the habit. Top 10 home remedies. They are lobelia, licorice, cayenne, St. John's wort, green oats, ginseng, valerian, passion flower, acupuncture, and ear massage. Let's know in detail. Lobelia. Lobelia contains an active ingredient called lobeline that is believed to help reduce the effects of nicotine in the body, especially the release of the neurotransmitter dopamine. Lobelia is available in the market in the form of vinegar tincture. The typical dosage is 20 to 60 drops of tincture 3 times daily. It is best to begin with lower doses like 3 to 5 drops and gradually increase it. As lobelia is highly toxic, it is advisable to use this herb under supervision of a qualified health practitioner. You should note that people with heart disease or high blood pressure should not take this herb. Pregnant and nursing women and children also should not take lobelia. The second one is licorice. Licorice is an expectorant and demulcent herb that can help you quit smoking naturally. The slight sweet taste of licorice helps you to kill the urge to smoke. Also, it relieves smoker's cough. This herb is an adrenal tonic and can help balance cortisol levels, reduce fatigue, and restore energy. Chewing a small stick of licorice root can satisfy your urge to smoke. You can even drink licorice root tea 2 to 3 times a day. You should note that licorice is not recommended for those who have diabetes, high blood pressure, adrenal disease, or reduced kidney or liver functioning. Third one is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper also desensitizes the respiratory system to tobacco and chemical irritants contained in the smoke. Its antioxidant properties stabilizes lung membranes, in turn preventing its damage. Cayenne pepper can be used in various forms including fresh pepper, ground pepper powder, capsules, or tea to quit smoking. However, the best option is to add a couple of pinches of cayenne pepper to a glass of water and drink daily, especially when you have strong cravings for smoking. The fourth one is St. John's wort. This medicinal herb may also help people quit smoking. The herb provides calming properties to help fight the edgy effects and stress caused due to quitting. In fact, it has been observed that when going through nicotine withdrawal symptoms, people experience anxiety and stress like those suffering from depression. As nicotine helps with depression, it can also help with these symptoms. In pilot study, 24 people who smoked one or more cigarettes a day took St. Johnson's wort capsule 450 mg twice daily along with smoking session counseling. After 12 weeks, 9 out of 24 had quit smoking. This study, however, cannot be revealed upon completely as it was neither placebo controlled nor double blinded. So further research is still required in this regard. St. John's wort is available in liquid, bulk or capsule form. You must start taking it at least 2 weeks before you plan to quit. You should note that this herb can interfere with the effectiveness of prescription and over-the-counter drugs. It is advisable to consult your doctor before taking this herb. St. John's wort is not recommended for pregnant or nursing women. The fifth one is green oats. Green oats, also known as Avena sativa or wild oats, is an effective herbal treatment to help you quit smoking. A 1971 study found that green oats can reduce the desire for nicotine and ease withdrawal symptoms. It can also help promote detoxification of nicotine during the withdrawal process. Green oats have a sedative effect as well as tonic effect on nervous system, which can highly beneficial for those who are struggling to quit. Green oat capsules are readily available in the market. You can safely take about 300 mg of green oats daily, but it is highly recommended to consult a doctor for the correct doses for you. Sixth one is ginseng. Ginseng can also help alleviate the frequency of cravings. It is considered a tonic for the adrenal glands and it helps re-establish the proper cortisol levels in the bloodstream. Ginseng also helps the body deal with physical and emotional stress and restores balance in the body when experiencing withdrawal symptoms. It will also help you deal with mental stress of quitting as it sharpens concentration, improves mood and lessens anxiety. Adding 1 teaspoonful of ginseng powder to your breakfast cereal or a glass of milk will help reduce the craving for smoking. You can also chew a small amount of dried ginseng and swallow the juice. You should note that do not take ginseng if you suffer from heart problems, diabetes, an autoimmune disease, or a hormonal sensitive condition. The seventh one is valerian. Valerian is a flowering plant that works as an herbal sedative and anti-anxiety supplement and is considered very effective in helping people quit smoking. This herb is known to interact with GABA receptors in the brain, causing a sedative effect. The calming effect on the body also helps stave off cravings. Valerian helps people deal with withdrawal symptoms like irritability, depression, restlessness, and anxiety. According to American Cancer Society, valerian also helps people enjoy more restful sleep. This herb is available in capsule, powder, and tincture forms. You must take valerian under guidance of a doctor. Then eighth one is passion flower. By promoting relaxation, passion flower can help fight anxiety and irritability that accompany smoking session. It is also helpful for those who experience insomnia and restlessness during the withdrawal period and even helps reduce nicotine cravings. You can also take passion flower in tea, tincture or capsule form. However, Like other herbs, it is better to take this herb under care of healthcare provider. The herb is not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women. The ninth one is acupuncture. Acupuncture also helps smokers quit. Acupuncturists utilize a unique technique where fine needles are inserted into a set of fine acupuncture points on the ear to help curb withdrawal symptoms. Acupuncture also instills a sense of calm when going through withdrawal symptoms and stops jitters, lessens irritability and restlessness. It helps in detoxification process also. You may need frequent acupuncture sessions for the first week or two, reducing the number of sessions with time. The 10th one is ear massage. Ear massage is another way to cope up with cravings. The ears are considered the key area of the body to help with smoking cessation. When you massage the ears, it stimulates acupuncture points, which in turn reduces the urge to smoke. Giving yourself an ear massage for about 2 minutes daily will help reduce cravings. These natural remedies will help you quit smoking, but always remember that a strong mental constitution is the most important thing that will help break your habit. After you have successfully quit smoking, it is important to repair the damage it caused in your body through proper diet, exercise, meditation, and adequate sleep. Hope I have given the essential information about the aids to quit smoking. If you like the video, please like, share